walking my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. Nothing to say, nothing to talk down. Oh, there's nothing wrong with where you live right now. So let's not waste another day. Come to find out to season. Let's take a ride through the city.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kaylin and we are back with another video. Today's video is the second cash stuffing for February. So I have a total of $300. We're just gonna make sure that we have $300 here and then we're gonna get right into it. So let us just count now that I have everything in the right order. So we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 300. We are good. So exciting news. This check I was able to pay the remaining balance off of our loan for our fence. So we went ahead and took care of that. So our fence is officially paid off. We did get our tax return and everything, and we're using, like I said, that money is going toward our air conditioning. We were able to bring that balance down a little bit. And so, you know, we used some of the money for our anniversary trip as well, because it's like you work hard for that money. We are prioritizing and using most of it for bills and loans and, you know, the debt payments that we do have and needed to do. But we also want to enjoy ourselves and be able to do things for ourselves as well with the money that we earned all year long and got back. So took an anniversary trip to DC. We're gonna get right into this cash stuffing. We are gonna start out with the Joy for Journey, our little reading for today, and we're going to be talking about looking for beauty. There is so much beauty around us if we will only take the time to notice it. You can make a conscious effort to look for the essence and therefore develop an appreciation for the beautiful things in life. Your days will seem a lot less harried, I promise you. Beauty has a way of totally capturing our senses, making us forget the fact that the car stalled on the way to work this morning, that the kids spilled chocolate milk on the carpet, that the workload keeps piling up. For a few brief, shining moments, nothing else seems to matter. And the wonderful thing about beauty is that we can store it in our minds to be played over and over again. And that's Lucy Swindle. So promises to help you look for beauty. He has made everything beautiful in its time. Also, he has put eternity in their hearts, except that no one can find out the work that God does from beginning to end. I know that nothing is better for them than to rejoice and do good in their lives. And that's Ecclesiastes 3, verse 11 through 12. One thing I have desired of the Lord that I will seek. One thing I have desired of the Lord that will I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of the Lord and to inquire in his temple. And that's Psalm 27:4. Give unto the Lord the glory due to his name. Worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness. And that's Psalm 29, verse 2. I think that's important just to touch on. Like with everything going on, there's always an area or something in our lives that we can find the beauty in. So let us start with the wallet per usual. This bad boy is cleared out, let me tell you. We do have some dollars, so we'll be pulling out my dollar envelopes. We'll do that now. So I have $1, $2, $3. And I did see that some of you guys are interested in these saving envelopes, and I will let you guys know when I open the shop back up for those. I just have to make sure I have like all the materials and stuff again, because it was quite a few things and I used certain stuff. So I will definitely try to work on that as soon as possible. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $10 we're ending off February with. $10. And I can't believe that it's March. Happy March, everybody. So I just put that one in the back, and now I have March in the front, so that when we film these videos, I'll just be able to put it right into March. All right, so gas is going to be getting 25. I actually just filled up. Eating out is going to be getting 10. Didn't really eat out. We went to DC and we ate, you guys. We went to this place called Kitchen and Cocktails. 10 out of 10 recommend. It was so good. I had got the chicken and waffles. The waffles were cinnamon roll. incredible. I have never tasted anything so delicious in my entire life. It's Kitchen and Cocktails. The vibe was nice. They had good music. The drinks were on point, and it was so good. We went for brunch, and the chicken for the chicken and waffles was so delicious. I was like, I've never tasted fried chicken. The chicken was so seasoned, you guys. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to go back. Spending's gonna get $20. Coffee is going to get, I actually don't even know if I have any money on this. I might have like $2 left on here. Coffee's not getting anything because of the gift card. Date night, we have a Red Lobster gift card in here that we got for our anniversary from my parents. So we have that in here, and we're just gonna put $25. So this actually, if we go to Red Lobster, we'll be able to have a good little dinner. So we'll figure out when we're gonna do that sometime in March. We've been very good on our date nights once a month. Activities is gonna get $10. Books does not need to be getting anything, but it's getting $10. I spent like $180 on books in DC. We went to a couple bookstores, and I just want to support the businesses because, you know, you buy your books and stuff from Amazon and stuff and all these fast places. But I want these bookstores to remain open, and the only way to do that is to support them. So I did buy a bunch of books, but they're books I've never heard of, and it was just a support. Like, all the bookstores were so nice. They had cafes in them. Just the vibes were just right. I'm like, I actually can't wait to go back to DC because there was a lot of bookstores that I didn't get to see. So Cameron's gonna get $10. Personal is gonna get $10, and then Ties is gonna get $50. I went to the Elevation Nights concert they had in Philly, and it was so nice, you guys. Oh my gosh, if you ever heard of Elevation Church, it's Stephen Furtick. He is from the churches in Charlotte, North Carolina. I love him. We pretty much watch him sometimes on the weekends. On Sunday we'll watch his sermons, and the experience was amazing. I can't wait for Maverick City Music to tour again because I definitely will be going. I think I seen Kirk Franklin a couple years ago, maybe 2 years ago, and that was really nice. So I want to do more stuff like that. All right, so now we're in our cash envelopes. Birthdays and gifts is getting $10. So we have a total of 10, 15, 20 in there. Have my brother's birthday coming up. One of my brother's birthdays coming up in March. Hubby has $10. He's going to be getting $10. So 10, 15, 20. Car maintenance has $20, and we're adding 15. So we're going to have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. I'm trying to start to get this one up a little bit. Our emergency funds has 20 as well, and we're going to be doing the same, 15. So we should have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Like, you see how you just like slowly working it up, slowly building your balance, even though you're putting only a little bit in there. Each dollar counts. So just remember that. Don't get discouraged if you're only putting a little bit in your envelopes. It is what it is sometimes. So medical dental has 10, and we're adding in 5. So we're gonna have 15. I did get rid of some envelopes in here because they were kind of repetitive with the ones that were in my wallet. So that is why, if you notice, I got rid of some, like the fun money and self-care, because it's pretty much what's in my wallet. So vacation has $10. We're adding in 10. So we have 10, 15, 20. And then Christmas is something we gotta start getting up there as a $10. We're putting $10 in, so total of 20. Gotta start beefing this one up because I'm not playing this Christmas. And then the giving envelope has 10, and we're going to be adding in 5, so we'll have 15, 5, 10, 15, and that is all that we have for these envelopes. Like, it's short, it's sweet, it's to the point, but we are making good leeway and progress on our goals. Just one little step at a time. So for the 100 envelope savings challenge, we are going to be stuffing a total of $50. We are going to be doing the $24 spot and then the $26 spot. So I'm gonna go ahead and color that in. 24 and 26. Like, we're slowly coloring in some things. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 24. Gotta find it. Perfect. And then we should have 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On over. I wanted to fill up some ones that were like a little bit more, but I'm like, we have a lot to fill up, so Long way to go. I'm excited to see when this is all filled up. I'm gonna be very proud of it. It's gonna be getting a little bulky. So let's count up. I need to write it down so we can stop having to add it up each time. Let's see. This time I'll write it down on something. $2 plus $3, $5 plus $10 plus 15 plus 20 plus 24 plus 26 plus 30 plus 60. So we have $195. Let me find something to write on that. From 223, we have $195. Perfect. All right, you guys, that is it for that. I'm gonna be working on a few things that I will have hopefully to show you guys in the next couple of videos, but March is where we are finally going to be putting aside the money for Sallie Mae, like we've been talking about. I will probably show you guys like the plan that I have to tackle the lowest balance loan that I have. It's like $6,000 something. We'll go in depth with that, and then we'll just continue to put away money in each of the envelopes. But I'm going to go over like the top categories I have, and if you guys want to know like how I decide how much money I put in each envelope, you can let me know and I'll do a video on that, or like explain that while I'm doing these videos. But there are certain categories that I am more focused on, and debt is going to be one of them. So another thing that I want to show you guys is I went ahead and switched out one of my binders to use for the debt and Sallie Mae and stuff. So this envelope is going to be for loans. So this is going to be more so for the air conditioning. My husband and I think we said we wanted to try to save $1,000 or $2,000 each to put towards our AC, so then next year we can just have like the balance be just what we're gonna get from our tax return. So then it's like that's paid for. So this will be like a $2,000 savings challenge right here for that loan, and then debt is gonna be for Sallie Mae, and then home is gonna be like for trying to start putting some money aside for like a future home, because you know that time limit is who knows when we're gonna do that, but I want to start trying to put money aside for that and start building that. And then Cam is just gonna have her little thing that we can start building for her and things that we might need like as she gets older and stuff. So those are like the long-term savings binders, pretty much what that is going to be. So that is all that I have for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. It was short, sweet, to the point, but like I said, if there's anything that you want to know specifically, let me know down below and I will incorporate it in a video or make another video. What I want you guys to do is leave down a comment down below on what is your top savings goal for March, and yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I will see you guys in the next video, and it'll be the March cash stuffing for the first paycheck. I hope everyone has a blessed weekend, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.